and combine like terms yun na lang. So we have 2x plus x, we have 3x, and 4 plus 3 is 7. That is our final answer for f plus g of x. Hello guys, magandang araw. Welcome sa ating panibagong random math topics. Sa araw na ito, pag-aaralan natin ang operations on function. Meron tayong 4 na operation on functions, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Unang-una is yung addition. We have a formula, f plus g of x is equals to f of x plus g of x. Para mas lalong maintindihan, let's give an example. So we have example, given ang f of x is equals to 2x plus 4 at ang g of x naman ay equal sa x plus 3. Find f plus g of x or yung addition operation of a function. So ang unang-una nating laalamin dyan is kung ano yung formula. So ang formula natin is f plus g of x is equals to f of x plus g of x. Then after nyo ma-identify yung formula, so since meron man tayong given sa ating example, i-substitute na lang yung given sa given formula. So we have f of x is 2x plus 4. So quantity 2x plus 4. Then copy the sign, the operation, plus yung g of x natin which is x plus 3. After nyo ma-substitute, so you have to simplify na lang. So, simplify natin, distribute muna natin yung operation natin. We have 2x plus 4, kopyahin nyo lang, plus x, then times, positive times positive is positive, so magiging positive 3 din yan. Then, after nyo ma-simplify yan, then combine like terms yun na lang. So, we have 2x plus x, we have 3x, and 4 plus 3 is 7. That is our final answer for f plus g of x. Next naman is yung sa subtraction. Sa subtraction naman is f minus g of x is equals to f of x minus g of x. Example sa subtraction is, lagyan natin ito, subtraction. So, example, given f of x is equals to 2x squared minus 4, then yung g of x natin is x minus 2. Same with addition, so define muna natin yung, so ang hanapin natin dito is yung f minus g of x natin. So, una is define muna natin kung ano yung formula natin. Formula natin is f minus g of x is equals to f of x minus g of x. Same with addition. Ang napalitan lang natin is yung operation natin. So, after that, substitute nyo lang. F of x natin is 2x squared minus 4. And then, copy the operation. G of x natin is x minus 2. After that, distribute muna yung operation. So, kopyahin nyo lang ito. 2x squared minus 4. Negative times x is equals to negative x. Negative times negative 2 is positive 2. After that, combine like terms or operate nyo na lang. So, we have, since wala itong kapareho, 2x squared na yan. Then, yung x wala din. Negative x. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. this is our final answer for f minus g of x. Then, next is yung sa multiplication naman. So, formula for multiplication, we have f times g of x is equals to f of x times g of x. Example. Given f of x is equals to 3x plus 2 and g of x is equals to x minus 1. Find f times g of x. So first, define natin kung ano yung ating formula. Formula natin is f times g of x is equals to f of x times g of x. Then after that, substitute lang yung given natin. F of x natin is 3x plus 2. Then parenthesis mo lang kasi automatic multiplication sign na rin yan. G of x natin is x minus 1. After that is, did you pa familiar with FOIL method or yung distribution method? Distribute nyo lang sa pag-multiply. So we have 3x times x is 3x squared. Then 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. Then 2 times x is positive x, which is positive 2x. Then 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. After that, combine like terms. So 3x squared, negative 3x plus 2x is negative 1x or negative x minus 2. So yan yung ating given. Ang ating final answer. Then next we have the division. Division naman tayo. So we have division. Same lang din, ang formula natin is f all over g of x is equals to f of x all over g of x. So example. Given f of x is equals to 2x minus 3 and g of x is equals to 2x plus 1. Find f divided by g of x. So, first define natin ang ating formula. So, formula natin is f divided by g of x is equals to f of x divided by g of x. And after that, substitute nyo na lang. So, you have f of x natin is 2x minus 3. And then, ang g of x natin is 2x plus 1. Then after that, simplify nyo lang. Kung merong masimplify, so isimplify mo. Kung wala na, so this is the final answer na. Since wala tayong masimplify sa given equation. Okay? So, next is yung, let's give an example, isang example, then hahanapin natin yung lahat ng operations on function natin. So, we have example, hanapin ang, so, example natin is, given f of x is equals to 3x plus 5 and g of x is equals to 2x minus 1. Find A, f plus g of x, B, f minus g of x, C f times g of x, and D, you have f divided by g of x. So, hahanapin natin yung apat na operation given ang isang example lang. First is yung addition or yung letter A. F plus g of x is equals to, formula natin is equals to f of x plus g of x. After that, substitute nyo lang yung given natin sa given example. So, f of x natin is 3x plus 5. Kopyahin nyo lang yung operation. Then, g of x natin is 2x minus 1. After that, distribute mo na yung operation. We have, kopyahin nyo lang ito. 3x plus 5, positive times 2x is positive 2x. Positive times negative is, negative 1 is negative 1. And then, the final answer is f plus g of x is equals to 3x plus 2x is 5x. 5 minus 1 is positive 4. So, ito yung sagot natin sa addition. Sa subtraction naman, we have yung letter B natin, f minus g of x is equals to f of x minus g of x. So, next is, substitute nyo lang. F of x natin is 3x plus 5 minus g of x natin na 2x minus 1. The same with addition. So, distribute muna natin yung operation natin. Kopyahin nyo lang ito. 3x plus 5, negative 2x, negative times 2x is equals to negative 2x. Negative times negative 1 is positive 1. Then after that, combine like terms. So 3x minus 2x is 1x. So equivalent na rin yan sa x. 5 plus 1 is positive 6. Therefore, ito yung ating sagot sa subtraction. Next naman is yung sa multiplication natin. Letter C. So, f times g of x is equals to f of x times g of x. Same lang din, substitute nyo yung given natin. F of x natin is 3x plus 5. Multiply nyo sa g of x natin na 2x minus 1. So, gamitin ang for method or yung distribution method. So, we have 3x times 2x is 6x. 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. 5 times 2x is positive 10x. Then, 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. After that, combine like terms. X squared pala ito. Combine like terms lang. So, copy nyo lang yan. 6x squared. Negative 3x plus 10x is positive 7x minus 5. So, this is our final answer for multiplication. Then, next is yung sa division naman. So, we have f divided by g of x is equals to f of x divided by g of x. Then, substitute nyo lang yung given. F of x natin is 3x plus 5. All over, g of x natin na 2x minus 1. After that, simplify nyo. Kung meron mas-simplify, i-simplify nyo. Kung wala na, so, stick tayo sa given. So, since wala man din sa tingin natin is wala naman mas-simplify, so, that is our final answer. Okay, so that's it for today. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, so huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like, comment, subscribe, at i-hit ang notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos natin. Thank you for watching.